Hey everyone, welcome. Have you ever split a pizza with your friends and tried to figure out how much everyone ate? Well, today we're going to unlock one of the most useful fraction skills ever, adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators. Trust me, once you see the secret, you're going to think, wait, that's IT? Let's dive in. Before we add anything, let's make sure we've got our fraction vocabulary locked in. Every fraction has two parts. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells you how many equal pieces the whole thing is cut into. The top number is the numerator. It tells you how many pieces you actually have. So in 3/8, the pizza is cut into 8 slices, and you've got 3 of them. Got it? Perfect. Let's keep going. Here's the key idea for today. Like denominators means both fractions have the same bottom number. Think of it like this. If you and your friend both have pizzas cut into 5 slices, you're working with the same size pieces. That makes adding and subtracting super straightforward. Unlike fractions with different denominators, which we'll tackle another day, like denominators are the friendly, easy version. So, 1/5 and 3/5, those are like denominators. Same bottom number, we're good to go. Okay, here's the golden rule, and I want you to remember this forever. When you add fractions with like denominators, you add only the top numbers, the numerators. The denominator stays exactly the same. Do not add the bottom numbers. I know it's tempting, but don't do it. Think about it this way. If you have one slice of pizza and you grab 2 more slices, and the pizza was cut into 8 pieces the whole time, the pizza didn't change into 16 pieces, right? The size of the slices stays the same. Only the count changes. Subtraction works the exact same way, just with a minus sign. You subtract only the top numbers and keep the denominator exactly as it is. Picture this. You have a chocolate bar divided into 6 equal pieces. You eat 2 of them. How many pieces are left? 4 out of 6, and the bar is still divided into 6 pieces. So 5/6 minus 2/6 equals 3/6. Simple. The rule is literally the same as addition, just subtract instead of add. How cool is that? One more important step. After you add or subtract, always check if your answer can be simplified. That means finding the greatest common factor of the top and bottom numbers and dividing both by it. For example, if you get 2/4, you can divide both 2 and 4 by 2, giving you 1/2, which is the simplified form. Teachers love simplified answers, and it's always the cleanest way to express a fraction. If the top and bottom share no common factor other than 1, you're already done. Nice. Let's try our first example. We're adding 2/8 plus 3/8. Both fractions have the same denominator, 8. That means we only add the numerators, so 2 plus 3 equals 5. The denominator stays 8. Our answer is 5/8. See how easy that was? The bottom number never changed at all. We just counted up our pieces. 2 slices plus 3 slices equals 5 slices, and the whole pizza still has 8 slices. Boom, 5/8. Now let's subtract. We have 7/10 minus 4/10. The denominators are both 10. They match, so we're ready to go. We subtract only the numerators. 7 minus 4 equals 3. The denominator stays 10, so the answer is 3/10. Think of it as having 7 pieces of a granola bar that's cut into 10 pieces, and you eat 4 of them. You've got 3 pieces left out of 10. That's 3/10. Easy as that. Ready to level up? This time we need to simplify our answer. Let's add 1/6 plus 3/6. The denominators are both 6. Great. Add the numerators. 1 plus 3 equals 4. The denominator stays 6, so we get 4/6. Now, can we simplify? The numerator is 4 and the denominator is 6. The greatest common factor of 4 and 6 is 2, so we divide both by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Our final simplified answer is 2/3. Excellent work. One more, and this one involves subtraction and simplifying. Let's solve 5/8 minus 1/8. The denominators are both 8, so we're all set. Subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Keep the denominator as 8. We get 4/8. Now simplify. The greatest common factor of 4 and 8 is 4. So divide both by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Our final answer is 1/2, and that's a super clean answer. You're crushing it. Let's bring this to life with a real-world problem. You're at a birthday party. There's one pizza cut into 12 slices. You eat 3 slices, and your friend eats 4 slices. How much of the pizza did you both eat together? We need to add 3/12 plus 4/12. Same denominator, 12. Add the numerators, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Keep the denominator as 12. Together you ate 7/12 of the pizza, and 7 and 12 share no common factor, so 7/12 is already in simplest form. Nice work, pizza mathematicians. Let's try a slightly trickier one to make sure you've truly got this. We'll subtract 9/12 minus 3/12. The denominators are both 12. Perfect. Subtract the numerators. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Keep the denominator as 12. That gives us 6/12. Now let's simplify. The greatest common factor of 6 and 12 is 6. Divide both by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 6/12 simplifies all the way down to 1/2. Beautiful. See how the big fraction turned into something super simple? Before we wrap up, let's talk about the sneaky mistakes kids often make, so you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, adding the denominators. Please don't. 1/4 plus 2/4 is not 3/8, it's 3/4. The denominator stays the same. Mistake number 2, forgetting to simplify. Always double-check your answer. Mistake number 3, trying to use this method when denominators are different. If the bottom numbers don't match, you need a different strategy first. And mistake 4, subtraction giving you a negative numerator. Make sure the bigger number is on top. You absolute math superstars, let's do a quick recap. When fractions have like denominators, the same bottom number, you simply add or subtract the numerators and keep the denominator the same. Never add the bottom numbers. Always check if your answer can be simplified. That's literally the whole trick. Practice this with a few problems tonight, and it will feel totally natural. Parents, this is a great topic to quiz your kids on at dinner. And remember, fractions are just pieces of things, and you